Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x factorial is equals to 10 factorial by 6 factorial and we have to find the value of x. So let's start the today's video solution. So 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial by 6 factorial. So we can eliminate this. So x factorial is equals to 10. We can write this as 5 times 2. Similarly, 9 as 3 times 3. 8 as 4 times 2 times 7. Now x factorial is equals to 7 times 3 times 2, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this is equals to 7 factorial. So the value of x is 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.